kids! Meet my friend, Mr. School Bus!
Hi, Bob. Why don't you join me on the way to school?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, on the way to school.
Look, Bob. They're planting seeds over there.
Plants will grow up green, 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 green. Plants will grow up green, 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 on the way to school. There's Polly helping old Mrs. Hubbard. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street, cross the street, cross the street. Help Mrs. Hubbard cross the street, on the way to school.
Isn't that nice? Everyone's helping clean the park.
Let's keep our town all clean, 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 clean. Let's keep our town all clean, 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 on the way to school. Good deeds make me feel so happy. Good deeds make us smile, 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 smile. Good deeds make us smile, 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 on the way to school. Wasn't that fun? See you soon next time!